Hey guys, if you are a software developer, you must know these 20 VS Code shortcuts. So please watch the video till the end, then you can rock on using VS Code.
I am telling about Visual Studio Code shortcuts. If you want to open that terminal in Visual Studio Code, if you want to open the terminal in Visual Studio Code, you just click on Control plus Shift plus backtick. Control plus Shift plus backtick. Here open the terminal. Okay. If you want to open new window in Visual Studio Code, you just click on Control Shift plus N. What is the command? Control Shift plus N. Here already opened one Visual Studio Code dashboard. I want to open new dashboard. Control Shift plus N. New dashboard was opened. If you want to close window in VS Code, you just click on Control plus Shift plus W. Let's see. Control Shift plus W. Yes, window was closed. If you want to find a word in the code, you just click on Control plus F. Control plus F. Sorry. Here you can find the word. I want to find names. We can find it required word like this. Okay. If you want to replace existed word to some other word, if you want to replace existed word with new word, you just click on Control plus F plus Control plus H. Let's see. Control plus F. I'm finding the names. Now I'm click on Control plus H. I want to replace names with Rahul. I'm replacing here. I'm replacing with names word with a new word Rahul. That means names keyword is already existed. So I'm replacing names keyword with Rahul keyword. Let's check. Here names word is there. That word I'm replacing with Rahul word. Just click on enter. Like this you can replace it with your required word. Okay. If you want to search a exact file, exact file name, you just click on Control plus P. Let's see. Here actually I do have only one file. In case if there is a multiple files is there, just click on Control plus P. You can search it here. Whatever the file name you want to search it, you just type that file name. You can grab it out here. Okay. What is the command for searching a exact file? Control plus P. If you want to copy the line without selection, you just click on Control plus C. In case you want to copy this line, you don't need to drag like this and you don't need to click on Control plus C or like that. Just go to that line, just put at the cursor at that line, just click on Control plus C. This line was copied. I want to paste it out here. Just click on Control plus V. Okay. In case if I want to copy this line, you don't need to drag it out like this. Just go to this line, just cursor, put it your required line, just click on Control plus C. I want to paste it here, Control plus V. Okay. If you want to cut the line without selection, you just click on Control plus X. Let's see. Here I want to cut this line. At that time you don't need to drag this line and click on Control plus X. You don't need like that. Just you have to put your cursor point at your required line. Here I want to control cut this line. Okay. So my cursor I put it at this line and click on just Control plus X. The line was cut. Here I want to copy here. I just click on Control plus V. Like this you can use Control plus X command. If you want to delete the exact line exact line, you don't need to exact line without selection. You just click on Control plus Shift plus K. Let's see. Here I want to delete this line. I'm just click on Control plus Shift plus K. That line was deleted. Here I want to delete this line. I'm just click on Control plus Shift plus K. This line was deleted. I just want to do undo. If we want to jumps from open bracket to closing bracket, from closing bracket to open bracket, you just click on Control plus Shift plus backslash. What is the command? Control plus Shift plus backslash. Let's see. Where is the if commands? I'm looking for if commands. Okay. Here my cursor point is at here. If condition open bracket. I want to jump to this closing bracket. I just click on Control plus Shift plus backslash. This closing bracket is here, so I jumped from open bracket to closing bracket. Okay, like this. Now I'm at closing bracket. I just want to cursor move to open bracket. I just click on Control plus Shift plus backslash. You can move from open bracket to close bracket or from close bracket to open bracket easily by Control Shift plus backslash. If you want to comment out required lines, you just click on Control plus /. Let's see. I just want to comment out this line, so I just want to put at the cursor at that line and click on Control plus /. This line was comment out. I just want to comment out this line. I put at that cursor at that line. I'm just click on Control plus /. If you want to remove the comment lines from the code, you just click on Control plus K, Control plus U. If you want to remove the comment out lines from your code, you just click on Control plus K, Control plus U. First you have to select your required code. and then click on Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus U. Then you can remove the comments from your code. If I want to remove the comment from for this code, I'm just select that required code and click on Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus U. Like this, you can remove the comments from your code. If you want to go to back from you whatever you did changes in the code, then you just click on Ctrl plus Z, that is undo. Let's see. Here I removed some common lines. So again I want to go to back. If you gave the command Ctrl plus Z, then you can go to back whatever you did changes. Okay. If you want to change the VS Code theme, that means color, you just click on Ctrl plus K plus Ctrl plus T. If you want to change the VS Code theme, that means whatever the background color is there for that VS Code dashboard, you want to change it, you just click on Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus T. Let's see. Here black color is there. I'm just click on Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus T. Here it shows some colors. You can select it out any one of them. I'm just click on red. Dashboard color was changed. Again you want to go to back. Again Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus T. By default default dark color is there. You can select it. Like this you can change your VS Code theme color. Okay. If you want to put the entire code in some formal way of format, you just click on Ctrl plus K plus Ctrl plus F. That means one line of code here, one line of code some after some space, like this. If it is there in your coding, in case if you want to put in some formal way of format, you just click on Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus F. Let's see. Let's say code is there like this. In case if I want to put some formal way of format, you just click on, just drag your required code, then you just click on Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus F. At that time code will be appear some formal way. Like this I want to put some formal way this code also. Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus F. formal way of format your code. If you want to write the comments for your developing code, you just click on Alt plus Shift plus A. Let's see here. Here I want to write one comment. Then you just click on Alt plus Shift plus A. Comment will be, then you can write the comment like this. Here you can write the comment for your code for better understanding. What is the comment? Alt plus Shift plus A. If you want to navigate the files of history, then you just click on Control plus Tab. Control plus Tab button. Here actually one file is there. In case if I may open 5 or 10 files and I close it out 4 or 5 files. In case if you want to navigate your history, at that time you have to click on Control plus Tab. If I click on Control plus Tab, it shows only one file. In case if I open the 5 or 10 files, at that time it will show all the 10 files. Then you can grab it out any file out of them. Okay, what is the command? Control plus Tab for navigating the history of your previous files. Okay, what is the command? Control plus Tab. Okay, if you want to copy the line, sorry, already that command I already told you. If you want to put the comments for your code, you just click on Control plus K plus Control plus C. Here I want to comment out for this line. Control plus K, Control plus K, Control plus C. Like this you can comment out for your required lines. Here I want to comment out this 5 lines. You just click on Control plus K, Control plus C. You can comment it out by using Control plus K plus Control plus C command. If you want to if you want to jump from your cursor point to required line, then you just click on Control plus G. If you want to jump from your cursor point to required line, then you just click on Control plus G. Let's see. Here now my cursor point is at 285 line number. Now I want to jump from 285 to 150 line number. I'm just giving the command Control plus G. Here I'm typing 150. That means 150 is my required line number. I'm just click on enter button. Now my cursor point is at 150 line number. Now I want to move from 150 line number to 50 line number. I'm just click on Control plus G. I'm just typing 50. 50 is my required line number. I'm just click on enter button. Now my cursor point is at 50 line number. Like this you can jump from your cursor point to required line number through Control plus G command. Okay. This is the last command but not the least. If you want to save the code whatever you did changes in your VS Code, then you just click on Control plus S. I think so you already know this command. And one more thing is, in case if you are did changes in 4 or 5 files, at that time you have to click on, you have to go to every file, you have to give the command Control plus S to every file. But here you don't need to like this. You just click on Control plus K, Control plus K, Control plus S. In case if you gave the command like this, in case if you did changes in 5 files, all the files will be saved in a single command Control plus K, Control plus S. Here actually I did changes in only one file. In case if I did changes in 4 or 5 files, at that time, in case if I gave the command Control plus K, Control plus S, at that time all the files will be saved. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code shortcuts. Better to write in all the shortcut keys in your notes. It will be helpful at the time of your development in Visual Studio Code. Guys, please do subscribe my channel. It will be boosting for uploading more videos into my channel. So please don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys.